Welcome back to another video, guys. Here at Garage Mods and Bills. Tongue twister. I don't know what's going on today with my speech, but in today's video, we are working on 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan alternator this time. Now, mind you, I have done a lot of work to this vehicle: transmission, intake, camshafts. It's been had. Okay, but I got a little spoiled. It's raining. It's a little chilly out here. Let's show you guys what I got into. I got a little space heater. Why? Because I put up a tent over the car. Like I said, it's raining. Okay, as far in the garage as I could get it, because I got stuff in here. I ain't gonna lie, my plants are a little bit more important. Yep, keep them out of the cold. And I got some clear top off of Temu. This right here, I can't remember the size. I think it's 20 by 20 or something like that, or 20 by 12 clear that I bought for my greenhouse. I'm using it. Get some light in here, block the wind, and I got a little space heater. Your boy be getting cold. You know, we don't do that around here. Why am I talking like that? But yeah, pretty simple. Since I've worked in this vehicle so much, disconnect the battery. I'm taking both negative and positive off. Unhook this for the radiator. Move the hose out of the way. Take the fan assembly out. All right, that involves taking off clips. Most of them had these red things on the back. You pop them out of the way. Take the connectors off. Go down. I am going to undo the drive belt and zip tie it right in place around the AC compressor, so I don't have to go fight and look for the diagram again when I get done. And it's easy to just cut that zip tie, put it back on the new alternator pulley. All right, but taking the fan shroud out is going to enable me to get the alternator out up top. Most people say don't take that E8, that E-Torx bolt out. It'll slide right out. We're gonna see. But 213s and a nut on that E8 Torx, and it should pop right out. Put the other one in. Make sure you disconnect the harness from the alternator first. You don't want to create more problems. I got my K-Tools light bar up here. Can be had on any tool truck. I don't recommend it. Or on Amazon, Temu. Might be a different brand. And I got my little Streamlight wedge. So it's going to come in handy because, you know, tight spots. I might have a couple of cuts and bruises after this today, but it's all good. It's all good. Saving them a little cash. Saving them a lot of cash, actually. This damn alternator was almost 400 bucks. So let me go find some tools, get to work, and knock this out. As y'all know, y'all are about to go on time lapse. All right, so I kind of got y'all upside down, but just want to show you the fan shroud assembly to take it out. This right here, if I can focus in, is a clip. If you push it back, it allows the assembly to come up. Just gently push back, it'll make that clearance. Down below, there's a slot that it sits in. Can't really see too well down here, so it's just gonna pop out of that slot. So I only got one hand available to do this. Where's the camera at? Wish I had a GoPro or something. Show you guys. Push back on that. You can see where the screwdriver is in there, and pop this up. That's it. And it comes out. The fan shroud is out. Alternator is right here, and I need to remove this clip so I can take that connector out, unscrew the bolt that's holding the bolt on the back of the stud, well, the power wire on the back of the alternator. Let me pop this cover off so you can see. It's right there. Gotta get that out. Looks like a 12. Then it's these two bolts and the one at the front, which we can't see because the belt is in the way. Now, as I said, I might be a little spoiled working in the shop. All my specialty tools, like the hooks to pop these out, make it easier. I have a 14 and a 20-inch long 3/8 ratchet with locking head at work. Then I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight. Let me check my account, see how much money I got. Serpentine belt kit, upholstery and trim tool kit set, pick and hook set, gloves because I'm spoiled, push pin pliers, and panel clip pliers. And I got these because they just don't know they're gonna be staining wood while I'm at work next week. And got a free bucket. I'm broke now. Yeah, let me get back to the house. It's starting to rain again. Switch this alternator out, get the car running, and put it back on the scanner. Make sure she's good. This clip on the back, the plug on the back of the alternator is very important. Took me about 10 minutes to get to it. Eventually I just put some oil, regular oil, around it, and it pops off. Alright, you do not want to break that clip at all. Now, alright, it's out. Now, the nut is off on the front of that e-torque bolt. Pop these out, and we should be good. This is the reason we took the fan shroud out. How long these bolts are. This will just flop down. Take this last bolt out. Alternator should flop down. And it should just pop right out. Come on, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. But watch the radiator fins as you come out. I'm gonna go. Oh, let me put you guys down. Turn it upside down and pulls right out. Now, put this over here. New one. Y'all at a glance. Ooh, pretty, pretty. We will get back on this 240 at some time in the future. I don't know whether near or far, but at some point we will. Probably have to do the gas tank again. She goes in like so. And back over at E-Torx. Okay, there we go. It's on there. Should be popping out of there soon. Rock it in, rock it in, rock it in. Come on. I'm gonna go ahead and run the nut on that. Let me put you guys down because this is getting difficult. It is back in place. I'm gonna go ahead and run the ooh, I'm getting wet through this tank. Dang. The bolts back in, tighten them down, tighten the nut on the E-Torx bolt or stud, put the belt back on, plug it up, and we should be good to go. The belt is on. Can't really get down there. Show you guys real good. It's a camshaft sensor. Camshaft sensor. Can't really get a good view down there, but it is on. Now, just gotta put the yeah, it's leaking. I gotta get new tops for them because they, especially it's bad over here. Yep. Just gonna bolt up the power wire for the alternator and put the clip back on and reassemble everything and get it started. So you can see the codes that we have right now and the code from yesterday. It's gonna post up here, this picture is not here anymore. So I'm gonna start it up and see what we come up with afterwards. So these are the codes coming back with after I cleared everything else. I'm gonna have to dig into that and see exactly. Hopefully it's just a harness. Gotta check the wires and see what's going on back there. But lights work. So alternator issue is gone, low voltage problem is gone. Just gotta deal with these headlights. That'll be the end of this video. Coming soon, a video on this tank car scanner. It's not up there. Autel and Snap-on and all the other fancy stuff, but it works. It does the job. But I appreciate you guys watching the video as always. Please share, comment, like. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. It's a new video every Thursday. Every Thursday you wake up, there'll be a video waiting for you. So appreciate the support and catch you on the next one.